If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Acrobat lets you add comments to any PDF if the PDF doesn't have security features that restrict commenting. Most often, users add comments to a shared PDF in Acrobat as messages to other collaborators on the PDF. However, some people also use comments in Acrobat to write notes to themselves while creating PDFs. To add comments in Acrobat, click the Add a Comment button in the Quick Tools panel and then select the Add a Comment command from the side menu that appears to activate the Comment tool. If you open a file shared with you by others in Acrobat, Acrobat automatically activates the Comment tool. It also shows the Comments panel in the navigation pane at the right side of the window. To toggle showing the Comments panel on or off in Acrobat, click the Comments button in the navigation pane. When adding or editing comments in Acrobat, the comments appear within the Comments panel if it is shown, and instead appear as pop-up icons in the PDF if the Comments panel is hidden. Comments added to a PDF in Acrobat contain two parts: the Comments icon shown in the PDF page, and the Comments text that appears either as a pop-up message or within the Comments panel. This helps users easily see both the comment and the content in the page to which the comment refers. After activating the Comment tool in Acrobat, your mouse pointer changes into an icon of a speech bubble when you hold it over a page in the PDF. Click in the PDF page at the spot where you want the Comments icon to appear. Then, either a new comment appears in the Comments panel, or a new pop-up comment appears on screen pointing at this icon. The comment contains your name, the comment's creation date and time, and a text field into which you can type the comment's text. Type the comment into the comment's text field. To add an emoji or @mention to the comment's text in Acrobat, click the Add Emoji or @mention button and then select a choice. If adding a pop-up comment, you can click and drag the comment by your comment's username to move it within the page, and then release it in the desired location. To resize a pop-up comment in Acrobat, hover your mouse pointer over any side of the pop-up comment until the mouse pointer turns into a double line, bisected by a double arrow, and then click and drag. When you're done adding the comment's text, click the Post link at the bottom of the text field to finish adding the comment. Alternatively, to cancel adding a new comment in Acrobat, click the Cancel link instead, or press the Escape key on your keyboard. If you showed the Comments panel, then the new comment appears in the panel. If you added a pop-up comment, the comment box disappears, but the comment's markup icon remains in the PDF page to show there is a comment. To view a pop-up comment in Acrobat, hover your mouse pointer over the comment's markup icon in the PDF. To reply to a comment in a shared PDF in Acrobat, either click to select the comment in the Comments panel, and then click into the Add a Reply field, or click the Comments markup icon in the PDF to select it, and then click the Add Reply button in the contextual menu that appears to open a new pop-up comment reply box. In either location, then type your reply to the original comment and click the Post button. To edit one of your comments in the Comments panel in Acrobat, hover over the comment to edit, click its menu button towards its upper right corner, and then choose the Edit command. Then edit your comment, and click the Post command to republish it. Alternatively, to delete a comment in the Comments panel in Acrobat, hover over the comment to delete, Click its menu button towards its upper right corner, and then choose the Delete command. Alternatively, to mark a comment thread as resolved in the Comments panel in Acrobat, hover over the Comment Thread to resolve, and then click its Resolve Comment button in its upper right corner. To unresolve a resolved comment, click the same button again. Note that you can only resolve and unresolve comments within the Comments panel in Acrobat. Separately, to edit one of your pop-up comments in Acrobat, right-click the comment markup icon of the comment to edit, and then choose the Open Pop-up Note command to reopen the comment's pop-up note box. Then edit the comment, and click the Post command to republish it. Alternatively, to delete pop-up comments in Acrobat, right-click the comment markup icon of the comment to delete, and then choose the Delete command. Acrobat also contains other markup tools besides text comments to help you annotate a PDF. To insert a text replacement comment in Acrobat, click the Add a Comment button in the Quick Tools panel, and then select the Replace Selected Text command. Then click and drag over the text to replace in the PDF, and then release the mouse button. When you release the mouse button, a comment text box appears. Here you can type the new replacement text and then click the Post button to finish. To add an insert text comment to a PDF in Acrobat, if available for your Acrobat subscription, click the Add a Comment button in the Quick Tools panel, and then select the Insert Text command. Then click at the location at which to insert the text in the PDF. When you release the mouse button, a comment text box appears where you can type the new text to insert, and then click the Post button to finish. To add a text highlight to a PDF in Acrobat, click the Highlight Selected Text button in the Quick Tools panel, and then select the Highlight command. Then click and drag over the text to highlight in the PDF. Releasing the mouse button highlights the PDF text, and if the Comments panel is open, also adds a new comment box to the Comments panel. If desired, then add text to the comment box that appears in the Comments panel and click Post to finish. Alternatively, to just leave the highlight without text, click the Cancel button in the Comments panel instead. Note that pop-up comment boxes do not appear for the highlight, underline, strike-through, or drawing tools if the Comments panel is closed in Acrobat. To add an underline to text in a PDF in Acrobat, click the Highlight Selected Text button in the Quick Tools panel, and then select the Underline command. Then click and drag over the text to underline in the PDF. Releasing the mouse button underlines the PDF text, and if the Comments panel is open, also adds a new comment box to the Comments panel. To add a strike-through to text in a PDF in Acrobat, click the Highlight Selected Text button in the Quick Tools panel, and then select the Strike-through command. Then click and drag over the text to strike through in the PDF. Releasing the mouse button adds a strike-through to the PDF text, and if the Comments panel is open, also adds a new comment box to the Comments panel. To add a pencil drawing to a PDF in Acrobat, click the Draw button in the Quick Tools panel. To change the pencil's color, then click the Choose a Color for the Draw button towards the bottom of the Quick Tools panel, and choose a color. To change the pencil's line thickness, click the Change Line Thickness button towards the bottom of the Quick Tools panel, and choose the line thickness from the menu that appears. Then click and drag in the PDF to draw with the pencil. When you release the mouse button, the pencil mark appears in the PDF, and if the Comments panel is opened, shows a new comment box in the Comments panel. If desired, then add text in the comment box that appears and click Post to finish. Alternatively, to just leave the pencil drawing without text, click the Cancel button instead. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.